Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Pudgy Penguins on Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to either create a brand new wallet or securely import an existing one. After setting up your wallet, ensure it's funded with enough Ethereum, as this cryptocurrency is essential for covering both the purchase price and network fees for your NFT. Next, open the D-app browser directly within your Coinbase wallet. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. Head over to a well-known NFT marketplace, such as OpenSea, which hosts a wide variety of digital collectibles. Once there, use the search bar to find Pudgy Penguins and browse the official collection to see what's currently available for purchase. When you find a Pudgy Penguin you love, click on it to view its details. Carefully review the listed price and any associated transaction fees before proceeding. The marketplace will display the total cost in Ethereum. Once you're ready, confirm your purchase and approve the transaction within your Coinbase wallet. This action will initiate the transfer of the NFT to your wallet. After the transaction processes, which usually takes just a few moments, you can verify your new Pudgy Penguin by checking the NFT section of your Coinbase wallet. Remember that transaction fees, also known as gas fees, can fluctuate based on network congestion. Finally, always prioritize the security of your wallet by keeping your recovery phrase absolutely private and never sharing it with anyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.